In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Hostinger. Whether you're strengthening your password security or simply need a fresh start, it's an essential task that can be easily accomplished with just a few steps. First, we need to log into Hostinger. Open your web browser and type in the URL www.hostinger.com. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page, where you'll find the Login button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Key in your current username and password and sign in. If you've forgotten your password, there is a recovery option available. Simply follow the prompts to reset it. After successfully logging in, the next step is to open your profile settings. Again, in the top right corner, you'll notice a little icon that represents either your profile picture or your initials. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option that says Account Information, or it might be labeled Profile, depending on your settings. This will lead you to a page where all your account details reside. Now, it's time to get into the nuts and bolts of our task, changing your password. Once you're on the profile page, you'll want to scroll down until you reach a section labeled Security. This is where you can manage and enhance the security of your account. Look for an option here that says Change Password and go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification purposes. It's a step that ensures only you can make security changes to your account. Next, you'll need to type in your new password. Make sure your new choice is strong. Ideally, it should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to maximize security. Once you've settled on a solid new password, enter it again for confirmation. This step minimizes the chance of typos and helps ensure you remember your new credentials. With your new password set and confirmed, click the Save Changes button. This finalizes the process, updating the system with your new information. If everything is correct, you'll see a confirmation message or notification that your password has been successfully changed. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to update your Hostinger password. It's always a good practice to keep your digital account secure by regularly updating your credentials. Hopefully, this guide has been straightforward and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.